Hi everyone, today we will see how to reconnect Hue Bridge to new Wi-Fi. To reconnect your Hue Bridge to a new Wi-Fi network, you need to ensure that your phone is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as the Hue Bridge, and the Hue Bridge itself must be connected to the Ethernet using an Ethernet cable. If you have changed your Wi-Fi password and are facing connectivity issue, try rebooting the bridge first. The bridge is connected via Ethernet to your router, not through Wi-Fi. If you want to migrate your Hue Bridge settings to a new Wi-Fi network, you may need to switch between Wi-Fi networks on your phone until you can connect. It is also possible to use a Wi-Fi extender with an Ethernet port to connect your Hue Bridge to a new network in a more centralized location. Check connection. Before starting the process, ensure that your smartphone or device is connected to a new Wi-Fi network to which you want to connect your Hue Bridge. Reboot the Hue Bridge. Begin by rebooting the Hue Bridge. It is important to note that the Hue Bridge does not use Wi-Fi to connect to your IP network, so a simple reboot might resolve the connectivity issues. Use Ethernet connection. If rebooting doesn't work, consider connecting the Hue Bridge directly to your new Wi-Fi router using an Ethernet cable. This can establish a stable connection and facilitate the reconnection process. Use Wi-Fi extender. If you want to place your Hue Bridge in a more centralized location away from your router, you can connect it to a Wi-Fi extender with an Ethernet port. Update settings. If needed, you can confirm your router to run in bridge mode or use another router as a Wi-Fi extender to connect your Hue Bridge to the internet in a more centralized location. Factory reset. As a final option, you can perform a factory reset on your Hue Bridge. Keep in mind that this will erase all the settings and confirmations requiring you to set up the Hue Bridge from the scratch. Use this step only if all the other methods fail to reconnect the Hue Bridge to the new Wi-Fi network. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, like it and share it with your friends. For more such helpful videos, subscribe to our channel.